Start my writing. See, next problem is prove the determinant of x square y z y square zx z square xy is equal to x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. Write the left hand side, determinant. Left hand side is determinant of x square yz y square zx z square xy. See, in the answer I need x minus y minus z minus x. See all the three rows. When you get x minus y as a common factor, see all the three rows. That is r1 dash is r1 minus r2. Next case r2 dash is r2 minus r3. You will get x minus y into y minus z as a common factor. First row operation is r1 dash is r1 minus r2. r2 dash is r2 minus r3. This is r1, r2, r3. We are writing in r1. r1 is r1 minus r2. This minus this, x minus y, you have to write it in r1, row 1, row 2, row 3. You have to write it in r1. X minus y, x square minus y square, x square minus y square. Next, yz minus zx. yz minus zx. Here you take minus z common factor, it becomes x minus y. Because here x minus y, here x minus y. To get x minus y common factor, you take minus z common factor. This is minus z into x minus y. yz minus zx. I have calculated minus z into x minus y. Next, the second row operation, r2 dash is r2 minus r3. This is r2, this is r3. Y minus z. This minus this. Y square minus z square. Next, zx minus xy. zx minus xy. To get y minus z common factor, you take minus x common factor. Minus x into y minus z. Take minus x common factor. This is minus x into y minus z. I have not touched R3, write R3 as it is. Z square xy. If there are 3 rows or 3 columns, you can do row or column operation only for 2 rows or 2 columns. Maximum 2 rows and 2 columns. Next, common factor in first row is x minus y. Second row is y minus z. Take x minus y and y minus z as common factor. This is determinant of 1. Here I have taken x minus y common factor, you are left with x plus y. X minus y into x plus y is x square minus y square. Here I have taken x minus y common factor minus z. Next, y minus z common factor 1, y plus z minus x. Write third row as it is. See, I got x minus y, y minus z common factor. These two terms I have got. Next, I should get z minus x. See all the 3 rows. Here we have z, here we have minus x. And you see these two. R1 dash is R1 dash is R1 minus R2. R1 dash is R1 minus R2 to get Z minus X. Here we have minus Z, here we have X. Or you can do R2 dash as R2 minus R1. Better to do R2 dash is R2 minus R1. You'll get Z minus X. I am writing in R2. R2 dash is R2 minus R1. This is R1. This is R2. This is R3. I am writing in second row R2 dash. R2 dash is R2 minus R1. 1 minus 1 is 0. R2 minus R1. 1 minus 1 is 0. This minus this. Plus y minus y get cancelled. We are left with Z minus X. This minus this. Y plus Z minus y minus X. Z minus X you will get. Next R2 minus R1. Minus X plus Z is Z minus X. R2 dash is R2 minus R1. Write first and third row as it is. 1 X plus Y minus Z. Third row is Z. Z square XY. In this step I have used only R2. Write R1 and R3 as it is. Next, in the second row common factor is Z minus X. Second row common factor is Z minus X. X minus Y into Y minus Z. Second row common factor is Z minus X into determinant of 1 X plus Y minus Z. Here I have taken second row Z minus X common factor 0, 1, 1. Z, Z square XY. See, to expand or to evaluate a determinant, you should get minimum 2 zeros. Here in this determinant, you have only 1 zero. I should get 1 more zero. Therefore, I will try to make this element to be 0 to get 2 zeros. That is, it is in C2. C2 dash is C2 minus C3 to make this element to be 0. Or to make this element to be 0, C3 dash is C3 minus C2. Try to make this element to be 0, it is in C2. C2 dash is C2 minus C3 to get 2 zeros in the determinant. X minus Y, Y minus Z, Z minus X common factor. In the next step, to make this element, this is in the second column, C2 dash is C2 minus C3, C2 minus C3. To get one more element to be 0. I am writing first column as it is. I am not touching first column. Write first column as it is. C2 dash is C2 minus C3. This minus of this is X plus Y plus Z. This minus this. Next 1 minus 1 is 0. Next Z square minus XY. This minus this. I am not touch the third column, write the third column as it is. Since I got 2 zeros, I can evaluate the determinant. Since I got 2 zeros, we can evaluate or we can expand the determinant. Therefore, this is equal to X minus Y into Y minus Z into Z minus X. Expand, evaluate. 1 into 0 minus of this. That is nothing but minus of Z square minus XY. 1 into, leave this row, this column, this into this, minus this into this. Minus of X plus Y plus Z into, minus of plus minus plus, minus of, leave this row, this column, 0. This into this, 0. Minus this into this, Z. Next, minus Z into 0 minus 0. Minus z into this minus. This is x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into. This is 1 into this one is minus z square plus xy. Minus z square plus xy minus here 1 minus is there, here 1 minus is there, it becomes plus z into x plus y plus z. Z into minus plus z into this term, the last term is 0. This is x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into, remove the bracket, minus z square plus xy plus multiply z for all these three terms, xz plus yz plus z square. Z into these three terms, minus z square plus z square get cancelled. Minus z square plus z square get cancelled. Final answer is x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. This is RHS. Next problem is prove the determinant of x plus 4, 2x, 2x, x plus 4, ಏನು ಹೋಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಝೂಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಎಂದರಿದೆನಪ್ಪ, ನೆಟ್ಟೇ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದು ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಜಿಯೋನ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು.
ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
Students, all of you have taken the previous problem. Students, see, next problem is prove the determinant of x plus 4, 2x, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 2x, x plus 4. Answer you should get 5x plus 4 into x minus 4, 4 minus x was. This question was appeared March 2020 for 4 marks. Now evaluation is going on now. In this paper, this question was appeared for 4 marks. March 2020, 4 marks. Right, left hand side determinant. Left hand side is equal to determinant of x plus 4, 2x, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 2x, x plus 4. See the answer. First I should get 5x plus 4 as a common factor. See all the 3 rows, all the 3 columns. If I add all the 3 rows or if I add all the 3 columns, I will get 5x plus 4 common factor. I will get this plus this plus this. 2x plus 2x is 4x plus x is 5x plus 4. 5x plus 4 common factor I will get. Therefore, I am adding all the 3 columns. I am adding all the 3 columns, or if you add all the 3 rows also, you will get 5x plus 4 common factor. I am adding the 3 columns. If you add 3 columns or if you add 3 rows, please write it in C1 dash or R1 dash. This C1, C2, C3. I am adding these 3 columns. X plus 2x is 5x plus 4. X plus 2x is 5x plus 4. Next 2x plus 2x, 4x plus x, 5x plus 4. Next again 5x plus 4. Write other 2 columns as it is. 2x, x plus 4, 2x, x plus 4. If you add the 3 rows also, you will get 5x plus 4 common factor. Now what is the common factor in the first column? 5x plus 4. Take 5x plus 4 common factor. You will get determinant of. I have taken 5x plus 4 common factor. Therefore the first column elements are 1, 1, 1. 2x, x plus 4, 2x, x plus 4. I have taken 5x plus 4 common factor from the first column. See, whenever in any row or in any column 1, 1, 1 are there. In any row or in any column, if all the elements are 1, 1, 1, you have to make any 2 1 to be 0. In this column all the elements are 1, 1, 1. We have to make any 2 elements to be 0. This minus this minus this. That is R2 dash is R2 minus R1, R3 dash is R3 minus R1 only, not R2. I have to make these 2 elements to be 0. Once you get 2 zeros, then we can expand the determinant. Therefore, I am going to make these 2 elements to be 0. This is R2, this is R3. 5x plus 4 into. I will make the elements of 1, R2 and R3 are 0. R2 dash is R2 minus R1, R3 dash is R3 minus R1 only, not R2. If you subtract R2 from R1, you have to subtract R3 from R1 only, not R2. Write first row as it is. 1, 2x. I am changing only R2 and R3. This is R1, R2, R3. This minus this. R2 minus R1. 1 minus 1 is 0, R2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next, x plus 4 minus 2x. This minus this. This becomes 4 minus x. Minus 2x plus x is 4 minus x. Next, this minus this is 0. R2 minus R1 0. R2 dash is R2 minus R1. Next is R3 dash is R3 minus R1. R3 R1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2x minus 2x is 0. X plus 4 minus 2x. That is nothing but 4 minus x. 4 minus x. See, in my last class, I have given the 7th property. The elements, this is the principal diagonal element. The elements above or below are zeros. The elements above or below the principal diagonal element, then the value of this determinant will be equal to product of the elements in the principal diagonal. Product of the elements in the principal diagonal. This is 5x plus 4 into product of the elements in the principal diagonal. 1 into 4 minus x into 4 minus x. This is the principal diagonal, this is the secondary diagonal. The elements below the principal diagonals are zeros, then the value of the determinant will be equal to the product of the elements in the principal diagonal. This is 5x plus 4 into 1 minus 4x, 4 minus x into 4 minus x is 4 minus x whole square. This is R. See, in part E, it is a compulsory question for 4 marks, determinant. Part E, there will be 2 questions. Last main, part E. Part E, last main. You have to answer 1 full question. Each question carried 10 marks. That is, 49A is properties of integration. Properties of definite integral. See, in integral there are 7 properties are there. One property they will ask proof one of the property for 3 marks. Based on that property, 3 marks, 6 marks question 1. Properties of definite integrals. It is come under integration. B is determinant problem. What I have done so far, it is a 4 marks question. This type of question in 49B question. And 50th A, it is a LPP problem, 6 marks. After completing this chapter, I am going to start with LPP. LPP 1 6 marks question. And for this one, continuity and differentiation. Continuity problem for 4 marks. Out of these 2 questions, you have to answer any one question. Either this or this. This is B. You have to answer any one. LPP 6 marks question, continuity 4 marks question. One of the properties of definite integral 3 marks. One problem based on that property 3 marks, 6 marks. Determinant is 4 marks of this type problem. It is a compulsory question in 49B. This question was appeared in March 2020 for 4 marks. Next question is prove that determinant of A minus B minus C. 2A, 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B, 2C, C minus A minus B is equal to, answer is A plus B plus C whole cube. A plus B plus C whole cube. Prove that. Write the left hand side determinant. Left hand side is determinant of, write the problem, A minus B minus C, 2A, 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B, 2C, C minus A minus B. Say all the 3 rows, R1, R2, R3, C1, C2, C3. See all the 3 rows and all the 3 columns. When you get A plus B plus C as a common factor, see all the 3 rows, see all the 3 columns. When you get A plus B plus C common factor, that is, if you add all the 3 rows, this plus this plus this, 2C minus C is plus C, 2B minus B is B, you are left with E. Therefore, if you add all the 3 rows, write it in R1. R1 dash is R1 plus R2 plus R3. We are going to write like this R1, but we are adding like this. Adding like this, writing like this. R1 plus R2 plus R3. Here you write as it is. 2B minus B is plus B. 2C minus C is plus C. R1 plus R2 plus R3. Next, 2A minus A is A plus B. 2a minus a is a plus b. 2c minus c is plus c. This plus this plus this. Next, this plus this plus this. 2a minus a is a. 2b minus b is plus b plus c. I change only R1. I have not touched R2 and R3. Write R2 and R3 as it is. Write R2 and R3 as it is. 2b. B minus C minus A. 2b. 2c. 2c. C minus A minus. I change only R1. R1 dash is R1 plus R2 plus R3. You will get the first row element. In the next step, common factor in first row is A plus B plus C common factor. In the first row. In the first row, common factor is A plus B plus C. You are left with 1, 1, 1. I have taken A plus B plus C common factor from the first row. First row elements are 1, 1, 1, 2b. B minus C minus A. 2b. 2c. 2c. C minus A minus B. I have taken common factor A plus B plus C from the first row. See, in any row, in any column, if all the elements are 1, 1, 1, you have to make any two one to be 0. This and this. Don't touch the first column. You have to make this element to be 0 means you have to do the column operation. C2 dash is C2 minus C1. C3 dash is C3 minus C1 only, not C2. I have to make these two elements to be 0. C2 dash is C2 minus C1. C3 dash is C3 minus C1. Common factor is A plus B plus C into. To make those two elements to be 0, it is column operation. C2 dash is C2 minus C1. C3 dash is C3 minus C1 only. This is 1, 2b, 2c. I have not touched off C1. Write C1 as it is. C2 dash is C2 minus C1. This minus this is 0. Next, B minus C minus A minus of C1 minus of 2b. C2 minus C1. Minus 2b plus b is minus b minus c minus a. If I take minus common factor, it becomes minus of this minus this. B minus a minus 2b. This is nothing but minus of a plus b plus c. Minus of a plus b plus c. Next, 2c minus 2c is 0. 2c minus 2c. C2. This minus this. 2c minus 2c is 0. Next is C3 dash is C3 minus C1. C3 C1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2b minus 2b is 0. Next, this minus this. That is C minus A minus B minus 2c. This minus 2c. Minus 2c plus c is minus c. Minus of A minus B. Take minus common factor. This is minus of A plus B plus C. Now, the elements below or above this is a principal diagonal. The elements below or above the principal diagonals are zeros, then the value of the determinant will be equal to product of the elements in the principal diagonal. This becomes A plus B plus C, common factor already there. Product of the elements 1 into minus of A plus B plus C into minus of A plus B plus C. This into this into this. This is A plus B plus C into minus plus A plus B plus C whole square. This is nothing but A plus B plus C whole cube. Next problem is prove the determinant of x plus y plus 2z, x, y, z, y plus z plus 2x, y, z, x, z plus x plus 2y is equal to prove that 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube. First you write the left hand side determinant. Left hand side is determinant of x plus y plus 2z x y z y plus z plus 2x y z x z plus x plus 2y. See, left hand side determinant are written. See, all the three columns are all the three rows. In the answer, I should get 2 into x plus y as a common factor, including 2. See all the three rows, R1. See all the three columns. This is C1, C2, C3. If you add the three columns, this plus this plus this, already 2z is there. If you add x plus x becomes 2x, y plus y becomes 2y plus 2z, you will get 2x plus 2y plus 2z, 2 common factor, 2 into x plus y plus z. Half of the answer you will get if you add all the three columns. If you add all the three columns, you will get 2 into x plus y plus z as a common factor. In which column you have to write? If you add three columns, you should write it in column number 1. C1 dash is C1 plus C2 plus C3. This is C1, C2, C3. Write it in first column. X plus x is 2x. X plus x is 2x. Y plus y is 2y plus 2z. X plus x is 2x. Y plus y is 2y plus 2z. Next, 2x. 2x are written. Y plus y is 2y. Z plus z is 2z. Add the three columns. Next, x plus x is 2x plus 2y. Z plus z is 2z. C1 dash is C1 plus C2 plus C3. You will get this column. I touched only C1. I am writing in C1. Write C2 and C3 as it is. This is C2, this is C3 as it is. X, Y. Y plus Z plus 2x. Y. X, Z plus X plus 2y. Write C2 and C3 as it is. Now in the first column, what is the common factor? 2x plus 2y plus 2z is common factor. Common factor is 2x plus 2y plus 2z is common factor in the first column. You are left with 1, 1, 1. Next is x, y. Next is y plus z plus 2x. Next is y, x, z plus x plus 2y. I have taken a 2x plus 2y plus 2z common factor, 1, 1, 1, rest other two columns same. In the common factor, I can take 2 as a common factor, get 2 into x plus y plus z. In the next case, in any row or in any column, if all the elements are 1, 1, 1, you have to make any two 1 to be 0. I have to make these two 1 to be 0 using row operation. R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. This you write it in. 2 into x plus y plus z. I have to make these two elements to be 0. This is I have to do row operation. R2 dash is R2 minus R1. R3 dash is R3 minus R1 only, not R2. R2 dash is R2 minus R1. R3 dash is R3 minus R1 only. This is, first row is 1, x, y. R2 dash is R2 minus R1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next y plus z plus 2x. Y plus z plus 2x minus x. 2x minus x becomes x plus y plus z. This minus this, x plus y plus z. Next, y minus y is 0. R2 minus R1, y minus y is 0. Next, R3 dash is R3 minus R1, R3 R1, 1 minus 1 is 0. X minus x is 0. Next, z plus x plus 2y minus y. 2y minus y is y, x plus z. Here x plus y plus z. This is the principal diagonal element. The elements below the principal diagonals are zeros. Then the value of the determinant will be equal to the product of the elements in the principal diagonal. This is 2 into x plus y plus z into 1 into this into this. 1 into x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z. This is 2 into this into this into this become whole cube. RHS. Whole cube. Next question is, prove that determinant of 1 x square 1 x square 1 is equal to 1 minus x cube whole square. Carefully write the right hand side. 1 minus x cube whole square. See here, 1 minus x cube is of the form a cube minus b cube. This is 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. 1 minus x cube is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. In the first step, try to get 1 minus x as a common factor. Try to get 1 minus x as a common factor. First you write the left hand side determinant. Left hand side determinant is 1 x square 1 x square. See, try to get 1 minus x as a common factor. See R1, see R2, see R3. If you do this minus this, it becomes 1 minus x square. That can be written as 1 minus x into 1 plus x. This minus this, minus of 1 minus x. This minus this, if I take minus x common factor, 1 minus x common factor will take. Therefore, first row operation is R1 dash is R1 minus R2. R2 dash is R2 minus R3. This minus this in the first case R1, this minus this in the second case R2. This is R1, R2. 1 minus x square. R1 minus R2. This is x minus 1 is minus of 1 minus x. X minus 1 is minus of 1 minus x. Next is x square minus x. X square minus x. R1 dash is R1 minus R2. Next R2 dash is R2 minus R3. X square minus x. 1 minus x square. This minus this means minus of 1 minus x. I changed only R1 and R2. Write R3 as it is. R3 is x square 1. Write R3 as it is, row 3. Next you have to simplify the elements in the first and second row. Now I can write 1 minus x square as 1 minus x into 1 plus x. A square minus b square. Next, minus of 1 minus x. Now x square minus x can be written as x square minus x can be written as, if I take minus x common factor, plus x common factor, it becomes minus x common factor, it becomes 1 minus x. Minus x into 1 is minus x into minus x is plus x square. This is minus x into 1 minus x. Next, second row element is x square minus x into 1 minus x. X square minus x is minus x into. This 1 minus x square, 1 minus x into 1 plus x. Minus of 1 minus x. Write third row as it is. X square 1. Next, in the first row, 1 minus x common factor. Second row also 1 minus x common factor. Take out those two common factors. Take out those two common factors. First row 1 minus x. Second row also 1 minus x common factor. First row 1 minus x. Second row 1 minus x common factor. You are left with, we have taken in the first row 1 minus x common factor, you are left with 1 plus x. You are left with this one. Here you are left with minus 1. There you are left with minus x. In the first row I have taken 1 minus x common factor. Second row also 1 minus x. This is minus x. 1 plus x. Next is minus 1. Next is x square 1. I got half of the answer as a common factor. Next I should get 1 plus x square. See the third row. Here 1 x square. If you add all the three columns, you get 1 plus x square as a common factor. Add the three columns. 1 minus x into 1 minus x is 1 minus x whole square. Add all the three columns, I get 1 plus x square. Add the three columns. C1 dash is C1 plus C2 plus C3. Add all the three columns. If you add these three, it becomes 0. Plus 1 minus 1 is 0, plus x minus x is 0. Next, if you add these three, minus x plus 1 minus 1 gets 0. Next, third column is, this is minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, you are left with minus x. Add C1 and C2. C1, C2, C3. Write other two columns as it is. Here, if you add the three columns, 1 plus x square. This plus this is 1 plus x square. Write C2 and C3 as it is. Minus 1, minus x, 1 plus x, minus 1, x square, 1. Since you got two zeros, you can expand the determinant. This is 1 minus x whole square into 0 multiplied by anything is 0, plus minus plus. Minus of minus 1 into minus of minus 1 into, leave this row, this column. This is 1, 0, minus of minus plus 1 into 1 plus x square. 0 multiplied by anything is 0. Minus of minus plus 1. Minus of minus 1 into 0 into 1 is 0. Minus of minus plus 1 into 1 plus x square. Next, minus x into these two minus of these two. This is 1 plus x into 1 plus x square. Minus x into, leave this row, 0 minus of this one. Leave this row, this column, 0 minus of this into this. This is 1 minus x whole square into, this is minus into minus plus 1 plus x square, minus into minus plus 1 plus x into 1 plus x square. In these two terms, common factor is 1 plus x square. This is 1 minus x whole square into, in these two terms, 1 plus x square common factor. Here you are left with 1 minus of 1 plus x. Here, if I take 1 minus x square common factor, here I have left 1 x is there. Here we have 1 x is there. Here we have 1 x is there. This is plus. Minus into minus plus. This is plus. This is 1 minus x whole square into 1 plus x square into multiply 1 plus x square.
1 x into x is x plus x square. This is 1 minus x whole square into 1 plus x square whole square. See here I have left x here. Please add x. Minus into minus plus x into 1 plus x into 1 plus x. This is a square b square can be written as ab whole square. A square b square can be written as ab whole square. ab whole square. 1 minus x, this is 1 minus x cube whole square. This is RHS. Here in the I have left minus into minus plus x into 1 plus x into 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square common factor 1 plus x into 1 plus x. X into 1 is x into x is x square. 4 more question. Next problem, prove the determinant of a square plus 1 AB AC AB B square plus 1 BC CA CB C square plus 1 is equal to 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Write the left hand side determinant. Left hand side is determinant of A square plus 1 AB AC AB B square plus 1 BC CA CB C square plus 1. See all the 3 rows and all the 3 columns. If I add the 3 rows, can I get 1 plus A square plus B square as a common factor? Or if I add the 3 rows, can I get the common factor 1 plus A? You will not get this as a common factor if you add the 3 rows or if you add the 3 columns. Therefore, what you have to do is, in the next case is multiply and divide R1 by E. Multiply and divide R1 by E. Multiply and divide R2 by B. Multiply and divide R3 by C. Multiply and divide R1 by A. Multiply and divide R2 by B. Multiply and divide R3 by C. I will multiply, I will write inside the determinant. Divide by ABC. I will write outside the determinant. We are dividing R1 by A. Multiply R1 by A. If you multiply R1 by A cube. If you multiply R1 by A cube plus A you will get. Multiply R1 by A means A cube plus A. Next A square B, A square C. Multiply R1 by A, you will get this one. Divide by A, I will write outside. Next, multiply and divide R2 by B means AB square. B cube plus B. B square C. Divide by R2 by means I will write outside the determinant. Multiply R3 by C means A C square, B C square, C cube plus C. Divide by C means I write outside. Multiply and divide R1 by A. Multiply and divide R2 by B. Multiply and divide R3 by C. Multiplication you write inside the determinant. Dividing by ABC write outside the determinant. Tell me, in C1, C2, C3, what is the common factor? In C1, what is the common factor is A. In C2, common factor is B. In C3 common factor is C. Take out ABC common factor from C1, C2, C3. Already we have 1 by ABC is there in the outside the determinant. Take out A common factor from the column. Write that common factor outside the determinant. Take A common factor from the first column, you left with A square plus 1. I have taken A common factor outside. Here also I have taken A common factor, we are left with B square. Here we are left with C square. In the first column I have taken A common factor. In the second column I can take B common factor. Take B common factor, it becomes A square. B common factor, B square, it becomes B square plus 1. Next C square. Second column B common factor. Third column C common factor. A square, B square, C square plus 1. These two ABC get cancelled. Now, to get the answer, to get this as the answer, see all the 3 columns, see all the 3 rows. After adding 3 rows or 3 columns, can I get 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square common factor? If you add all the 3 rows, or if I add the 3 columns, can I get 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square common factor? If you add the 3 rows, this plus this plus this, you get A square plus B square plus C square plus 1 as a common factor. Therefore, R1 dash is R1 plus R2 plus R3. Add the 3 rows, R1, R2, R3. Add this A square plus B square plus C square plus 1 you get as a common factor. Add the 3 rows. Add the 3 rows. First element is 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Adding like this, writing like this, R1. Adding like this, you have to write it in R1. Plus 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. If you add all the 3 rows, 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. You have to write it in R1. R1 dash is R1 plus R2 plus R3. Adding row wise, write it in R1 line. See, I have changed only R1. I have not touched the R2 and R3. Write R2 and R3 as it is. B square plus 1, B square. C square plus 1. Next, common factor in the first row is, what is the common factor in the first row? 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square as a common factor. First row common factor is 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square common factor. You are left with first row 1, B square plus 1, B square. C square plus 1. I have taken 1 plus A square plus B square common factor from the row 1. In the next case, in any row or in any column, all the elements are 1, 1, 1. You have to make any 2 1 to be 0. You have to make these 2 to be 0 using column. C2 dash is, I have to make these 2 elements to be 0, C2 and C3. 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square common factor. C2 dash is C2 minus C1. C3 dash is C3 minus C1. To make these 2 elements to be 0, this minus this, C2 minus C1, this minus this, C2 minus C3 minus C1. Write first column as it is. I am not touching the first column, only second and third. 1 minus 1 is 0. B square plus 1 minus B square. B square plus 1 minus B square. These two get cancelled 1. C square minus C square is 0. C square minus C square is 0. C2 dash is C2 minus C1. C3 dash is C3 minus C1 is 0. B square minus B square is 0. This minus this is 1. This minus this is C square plus 1 minus C square is 1. Now the elements below the principal diagonals are zeros, then the value of the determinant will be equal to. Into answer is value of the determinant is product of the elements in the principal diagonal. 1 into 1 into 1. Final answer is 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. This is RHS. One compulsory question for 4 marks. Question number 49A in part E. 49B. 4 marks question. Determinants. Next problem, prove that. Prove that determinant of 1 plus A, 1, 1, 1 plus B, 1, 1 plus C is equal to ABC into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Write the left hand side determinant, all of you. Write the left hand side determinant. Left hand side is determinant of 1 plus A, 1, 1, 1 plus B, 1, 1 plus C. See, in the first case, I should get ABC as a common factor. And moreover, see here, in this problem you don't have 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. If I take A common factor, in the first row it becomes 1 by A plus 1, 1 by A, 1 by A. If I take B common factor, 1 by B plus 1, 1 by C. If I take C common factor, 1 by C, 1 by C, 1 by C plus 1. Therefore, take out A common factor. Take A common factor from the first row. If I take A common factor, it becomes 1 by A plus 1. If I take A common factor 1 by A, it is 1 by. Because A into this one is 1 plus A. A into 1 by A is 1. A into 1 by A is 1. Next you take B common factor in the second row. 1 by B. 1 by B plus 1. 1 by B. Take out C common factor from the third row. 1 by C. 1 by C. 1 by C plus 1. I have taken A common factor from R1, B common factor from R2 and C common factor from R2. I got half of the answer ABC. How to get this as a common factor? See all the 3 rows, see all the 3 columns. When you get 1 plus 1 by A, plus 1 by B plus 1 by C common factor means if you add all the 3 rows, you get 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C as a common factor. Next operation is R1 dash is add all the 3 rows, R1 plus R2 plus R3. Adding R1 plus R2 plus R3. If you add these 3, first element is 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Add the 3 rows. This is R1, R2, R3. Add this 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Next again 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Add these 3. Next add these 3. 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. This plus this is first element. This plus this is second element. This plus this is third element. Write R2 and R3 as it is. 1 by B. Next 1 by B plus 1 by B. Write third row as it is. 1 by C. 1 by C. 1 by C plus 1. Next, in the first row, common factor is, what is the common factor in the first row? It is 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C common factor in the first row. You are left with determinant of, after taking common factor, these 3 elements becomes 1, 1 by B, 1 by B plus 1, 1 by B, 1 by C, 1 by C, 1 by C plus 1. Next, in any row or in any column, all the elements are 1, 1, 1. You have to make any 2 1 to be 0. I have to make these 2 to be 0. Column operation. C2 dash is C2 minus C1. C3 dash is C3 minus C1. This is ABC into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C into, to make these 2 elements to be 0, C2 dash is C2 minus C1, C3 dash is C3 minus C1. C2 dash is C2 minus C1, C3 dash is C3 minus C1. C2 dash is C2 minus C1, C3 dash is C. Write first column as it is. 1 by A, 1 by C. C2 minus C1, 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 by B plus 1 minus 1 by B. These 2 get cancelled, 1. 1 by C minus 1 by C is 0. C3 minus C1, 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 by B minus 1 by B is 0. 1 by C plus 1 minus 1 by C is 1. The determinant, the elements above the principal diagonal are zeros, then the value of this determinant will be equal to 1 into 1 into 1. This is ABC into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C into 1 into 1 into 1. This is ABC into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1. Sometimes they may ask this result as well. This is nothing but ABC plus BC plus CA plus A. Multiply individually, you get this one. It is nothing but ABC into 1 is ABC. Here A get cancelled BC. Here BB get cancelled AC. Here CC get cancelled A. They may ask this question also. This is the answer. Sometime they will ask this as the answer. Just multiply. Okay, I will continue in the next class.